I have been drawn to baking and am extremely passionate about it because it's been something that has really been throughout my whole entire life. There's so much creativity and whatnot kind of on the finishing end, but I love all of the information and science and technical information that goes into making these creative and beautiful products. Our program here at South Puget Sound Community College is 3 quarters long. We take new students every quarter, so we take a total of 13 students at one time, and students will work together in groups and in teams. There's a lot of room for independence as well. When we work in the lab, we work individually. There are opportunities for creativity. To have some examples, we make 3-tiered cakes, we make gingerbread houses, we have really fun final projects that we do for the program. You will be able to have the opportunity to develop your technical skills. The program covers all kinds of topics, everything from molded chocolates to yeast breads to layered cakes. So it really gives the students the opportunity to see what facet of the baking and pastry arts industry is really close to their heart. During this program, one of the topics of study is retail operations, and so you do get an opportunity to see, outside of the baking, what are all the things that go into managing a bakery, producing the products, getting the cases ready for the morning, practicing those opening procedures. So if you're somebody that's interested in opening your own business, this is a great program for you to kind of get your foot in there and kind of see what everything's like before you go off to do the big thing. Our goal is to get students workplace ready, and so we not only focus on the development of the technical skills, but we work on your soft skill development as well, and that's a whole process that we work on throughout the whole entire course of the program. Throughout your time here, it's really important that we train and show you different types of service. So in addition to working the bakery case, we have opportunities throughout each quarter where we will go into the community and work different types of events where we're serving 150 people or 30 people. So everybody will get a little bit of practice on different types of service as well. During your time here in the program, you will have all sorts of opportunities to develop your professional self and your creative side. Along with that, we create a safe environment where you feel comfortable taking the risk to fail and try those creative things out. We've got a really amazing program here at SPSCC, and I can't wait to meet you.